Hello everyone, welcome to my VIM series. So in this series, I will share with you how to use VIM. So hopefully you can use VIM for your everyday tasks. You can write code, you can write document by using VIM. Okay, so what's the Vim? Vim is an improvement version of the VI. VI is like a super popular editor in the Linux because you just need only keyboard to use VI, and if you use server without mouse, so VI will be like essential thing for you. Okay, so first of all, you need to install Vim on your machine. If you use Debian based distro, you will need to type sudo apt install Vim. And if you use Arch based distro, you need to sudo batman and s with Vim. So if you use Mac OS, you can use Homebrew. Sorry guys, I don't know how exactly how I can do that, but you can use Homebrew or you can use GVim. GVim is a graphical Vim. Okay, it's just like an editor that you can click to the icon to open the Vim editor. So the same for Windows, you can use GVim or you can install the Ubuntu on the Windows and you install Vim on that Ubuntu. Okay, so let's get started with Vim. So I assume that you install it. Um, Vim on your computer. So now on your computer, you have Vim. To start Vim, you need to type Vim. Okay, so you can see now that we are in Vim. And you can see that it explained that, okay, Vim is mean that VI improving. And its version is author, and some short instruction. And, and we have a chart here that have been using Vim for 2 years because I don't know how to quick Vim. So I think that's why in the short instruction here we have a type colon q to exit. So I think that this is the super important things when you use Vim, that you need to know how to exit Vim in very first step. Okay, so let's try that. If you want to quick Vim, type colon and q, enter, boom, you have just exit Vim. Okay, you save now, you don't need to use it like 2 or 3 years just because you don't know how to exit it. Okay, so let's go back to the Vim. We save now because we know how to exit Vim, and I will type something. So let's in Vim we have uh, many mod, and I will introduce you to a command mod and insert mod. So that the insert mod sorry, a command mod is default. So when you open Vim, you are in the command mod, and when you press I in the lowercase, you press I. Please pay attention on the bottom left. You will see insert. So that currently now we are in the insert mode. So in insert mode, we can type everything we want. In the command mode, we type a command like save file, quick film, copy, pass, move, whatever, many things. Uh, but in insert mode, you will insert like the normal editor. You can type everything you want. So that I will type that I love Vim. Thích học Vim. I love it. Vim so much that I've it many times. Okay, so now when you finish to type this line, you need to use you need to save. You want to save it. So how you can do that? You need to go back to the command mode. So how you go back to command mode from the insert mode? You need to press escape. Okay. After you press escape, you will see that the insert text on the bottom left will disappear. So if you don't sure that you are in the command mode, you can press escape many times. Okay, so so you start to type a command, and if you see the command is appear on the bottom left, then you can sure that you are in the command mode. So if I want to save this file, I need to type colon W, okay, and I enter. Oh, error, no file name. So this means that because when I open this file by Vim, I don't have a name, I don't have file name. So now if I want to save, I need to tell Vim that what is the file name here. So let's try again that colon W, and with a file name, I can say that's introduction. Okay, and now I enter. And it said, okay, introduction new. We have three lines here. We have 87 column is save. So now you save this file and you quick vim again. Remember, quick vim is the most important thing. So please remember this command. The most important things in the Vim world. If you don't want to live in Vim forever. Okay, enter. Okay, so now let's check our new file. I will cat with introduction. Okay, you can see that we have I love Vim, I love Vim. I mean that the text we type in the introduction file. Okay, so now if you want to open this file and edit, you can type Vim introduction. Okay, currently I'm not talking about movement navigational route. So if you just want to type another, you just need to press I. Remember, I's with a lowercase. I as I love phim 3000 phim merge okay. Okay, so now let's take this step further. That I want to save it and I want to quick it. How can I do that? You need to press escape again to go to command mode. Okay, so now you type column W means save and Q means quick. Save and quick. Okay, if you want to quick without save, you will Q and you type this symbol. Okay, let uh let's try this first. Okay, so now I get the introduction again. Okay, the content is the same because I quit without save. So Vim introduction. Oh, sorry, introduction. Oh, okay. Vim. Okay, so now I want to save and quick. Colon W and Q. Quick and save. Okay, enter. Boom. We are Vim and we also save it. Let's check it. Card introduction. Nice. Every chance is here. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for today. I think that is enough for today that we take the first step to a Vim. So I hope that I hope that in this video you will learn most important thing. That's first of all quick Vim. Yeah, colon Q to quick Vim. Okay, and after that, you know how to open Vim, you know how to like edit Vim, how to insert some simple text in Vim. So if you want, so that's it for the video about introduce to Vim. If you think that this video is good, if you feel interested in this video, please share, like, and subscribe to follow to like if I have a new videos, you will be you will be will be notified immediately. So thank you for spending time to watch this video. Hope that you will you will know how to use Vim after this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.